Mr. Speaker, sir, there is one thing which the Honorable Minister has to do if he really desires to make education useful and effective. That is to departmentalize all education, to take away all education from the control of local bodies altogether. Education under the local bodies has suffered in many ways. We have heard of the way in which teachers have been dealt with. We have also known how, on account of the fact that they were not able to collect their revenues to the extent to which they should, they were reducing the number of schools as a policy of economy. They have been closing down schools thinking that that is the only way in which they can economize their expenditure. So, education under the control of local bodies has suffered considerably. If the Honorable Minister for Education is anxious to improve and popularize education, the best thing and the first thing that he has to do is to take away education altogether from the control of local bodies. Local bodies have got a lot more to do than to attend to education in their areas. One more reason why I am suggesting this is to make education efficient. The type of education that is imparted in the schools that are managed by local bodies is not of the same type as that in schools managed by the government and in the schools maintained by other non-official agencies. Dear sirs, we wish to inform you that all the goods ordered by you during the last few months have been supplied by us promptly and as per your requirements. We are, however, very sorry to inform you that our bills for the past 7 months have not yet been paid in spite of several reminders to you. We are aware that in the past you have been very regular in your payments and that we had no occasion at all to make any complaints to you about delays in respect of payments of any bill. In order to have cordial relationship in our business activities, it is necessary that such delays are avoided to a great extent in the future. As you will be very well aware, our business will be very much affected if we do not get our payments in time. We are therefore sending our assistant manager in order to discuss the matter. Yours faithfully.